Hello, Keller Williams. This is Xavier, and I'm here to give you just a little taste of what we're going to discuss in our upcoming session for FES, Florida Educational Services. And in the session I'm leading, we're really going to be diving into how to command your business using, what do you know, command. And after family reunion, there wasn't some big, confetti blasting and all these new features released and oohs and ahs. Instead, there was some humility, right? Some focus from Gary Keller saying, we are now going to look at the stability of the platform. Why? To make it more friendly for the user. And that's you, right? So what we're going to do is take a look at what can you do with the system right now in your business. And if you could take a new action from the inside of Command that you didn't know you could take, what result could you produce from that new action? So I can't wait to see you in the session. It's going to be an overview of all the fun things that Command has to offer, and we'll dive into whatever you, the participant, say is important to you. It'll be really fun, and I'm looking forward to it. So see you there.